Have you ever imagined being able to earn the love and respect of anyone without begging for attention or changing who you are? In today's video, we're going to reveal ancient techniques from Buddhist psychology that will transform the way people see you. You'll learn how to apply these subtle yet effective strategies to influence those around you, making yourself irresistible and admired. If you've ever felt ignored or undervalued, this video will show you how to change that quickly. Imagine the feeling of walking into a room and sensing that everyone respects and admires you just for being who you are. Curious? Then keep watching, because these powerful tips might be what you need to revolutionize your social and emotional life. If you want to keep receiving powerful tips, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content that will transform your life. And write in the comments, "I deserve to be loved and respected," to attract that energy into your life. Let's manifest this reality together. Buddhist psychology offers more than just philosophical teachings. It proposes a profound change in how you understand your mind and emotions. Instead of focusing on problems like many Western approaches, this practice invites you to explore the transformative power of your thoughts and actions. Imagine being able to control your emotions and, in doing so, attract more respect and love into your life. These principles can provide you with exactly that, helping to create a balanced mindset and an irresistible presence. One of the pillars of Buddhist psychology is the understanding that your mind shapes your reality. This means that by changing the way you think, you also change the way others perceive and interact with you. By mastering this skill, you can transform your emotional and social life, becoming a person who naturally attracts respect and admiration. This change begins within you, with the development of a clear, compassionate and focused mind. And the best part? Anyone can learn to do this. Another fundamental concept is detachment from the ego. When you stop seeking external approval and validation, something magical happens. You become authentic. This authenticity is precisely what makes people truly respect and love you. By applying this principle in your daily life, you'll realize that you don't need to change who you are to be accepted. You just need to act according to your deepest values. This practice is liberating and can transform your relationships in ways you never imagined. Compassion, perhaps the most powerful principle, is key to building true and lasting connections. When you practice genuine compassion, people around you feel it and respond with respect and affection. This is not superficial compassion, but a deep desire to see the good in everyone and help alleviate the suffering around you. Imagine how your life could be transformed by incorporating this compassionate attitude into all your interactions. This is the secret to becoming a person everyone wants to be around, not because of manipulation, but because of the kindness and authenticity you radiate. The first reverse psychology technique you can start applying immediately is the practice of intentional silence. The power of silence is one of the most underrated yet incredibly effective techniques taught by Buddhist psychology. Contrary to what many believe, you don't have to speak all the time to be heard. In fact, silence can be a powerful tool for creating impact and influencing those around you. When you choose to listen rather than speak, people notice that you value their opinions, and this makes them respect your presence even more. Furthermore, intentional silence allows you to observe and understand situations better, without the rush to respond or justify yourself. This approach creates an aura of mystery and wisdom around you, making others feel that your words carry weight and meaning. They begin to see you as someone who has control over their emotions and thoughts, someone who doesn't waste words, but uses them in a strategic and impactful way. Finally, this practice helps avoid unnecessary conflict. Often, simple silence can disarm an argument before it starts, or give people time to reflect on their own words and actions. By cultivating intentional silence, you begin to master situations with serenity, which naturally attracts more respect and admiration from everyone around you. The second reverse psychology technique inspired by Buddhism is emotional detachment. In this context, detachment doesn't mean a lack of feelings, but rather the ability not to let your emotions dictate your actions or affect your self-esteem. When you practice emotional detachment, you demonstrate an inner strength that is deeply attractive. The people around you start to notice that you don't rely on external approval to feel good, and this makes them respect you even more. Emotional detachment also means that you are able to maintain your authenticity regardless of the circumstances. By not constantly seeking validation from others, you become a stronger and more secure presence. People are naturally drawn to this authenticity because they recognize that you act according to your values, not to please others. This makes the respect and love you receive genuine and lasting. Moreover, emotional detachment allows you to effectively deal with rejection and criticism. Instead of being shaken, you maintain your confidence and balance, showing others that you are not easily affected by negative moments. This emotional stability is a rare and highly valued quality that makes people see you as strong and resilient, worthy of respect and admiration. The third technique is strategic compassion, a central principle in Buddhist psychology. More than just simple empathy, strategic compassion involves the conscious intention to help others, even when it doesn't directly benefit you. When you act with compassion, people around you feel this sincerity and connect with you on a deep level. This not only increases the respect they have for you, but also strengthens the bonds of love and friendship. The practice of strategic compassion involves seeing beyond people's flaws and difficulties, recognizing their essential humanity. By acting with genuine compassion, you create a cycle of positive energy and mutual respect, where everyone feels valued and understood. This approach not only improves the lives of others, but also transforms yours, making you feel more connected and fulfilled in your relationships. By incorporating strategic compassion into your daily life, you become someone others can trust and rely on. This reliability strengthens relationships and makes you seen as someone who truly cares. In the end, this practice transforms not only how others see you, but also how you see the world, creating an environment of authentic respect and love around you. The fourth reverse psychology technique is wise patience. In Buddhism, patience is seen as an active form of wisdom, not just passive waiting. Being patient means maintaining calm and mental clarity, even in the most difficult situations. When you demonstrate patience, you show that you have control over your emotions and a deep understanding of the events around you. This makes others respect and trust you more. Wise patience also involves the ability not to react impulsively, which can prevent conflicts and rash decisions. By staying calm, especially in moments of tension, you not only avoid mistakes, but also create an environment where people feel safe. They begin to see you as a balanced and strong person, someone they can trust to make thoughtful and fair decisions. Moreover, practicing patience allows you to see the bigger picture before acting, leading to wiser and more beneficial choices. When others perceive that you act with discernment and calmness, they naturally respect you more. This approach not only brings peace to you, but also creates a harmonious environment of mutual respect around you, solidifying your role as an admirable and trustworthy figure. Now that you've become acquainted with these powerful reverse psychology techniques inspired by Buddhism, it's time to see how they work in everyday life. In professional settings, for instance, intentional silence can be a game changer in meetings or challenging discussions. By choosing to listen more than you speak, You gain a clearer understanding of the situation before responding. This thoughtful approach demonstrates maturity and wisdom, earning you greater respect from both colleagues and superiors. Emotional detachment also proves invaluable in personal relationships, whether with friends or family. When you're typically inclined to please or give in, practicing detachment helps you preserve your authenticity and core values. By not constantly seeking validation, you show a sense of inner peace that leads others to respect and value your true self. This strengthens relationships as people trust you for who you are, not for a persona shaped by the need to please. Strategic compassion is equally effective in social settings, from casual hangouts to interactions with complete strangers. When you act with genuine empathy, striving to support and understand others without expecting anything in return, you create an environment of trust and respect. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard and supported, and this approach leaves a lasting positive impression. Finally, wise patience is essential during moments of conflict or frustration, be it at home, in the workplace, or anywhere else. By staying calm under pressure, you showcase reliability and emotional resilience. Avoiding impulsive reactions not only prevents regrettable decisions, but also highlights an inner strength that commands respect. Through this steady mindset, people often see you as a natural leader, someone who leads with wisdom and balance, enhancing your reputation and the genuine admiration others feel for you. After trying out these reverse psychology techniques inspired by Buddhism, take a moment to reflect on how they reshape not only your interactions with others, but also your sense of self-worth. The respect and love you start receiving aren't random. They stem from the inner changes you've intentionally cultivated. By developing a calmer, more detached and compassionate mind, you naturally create an energetic field around you that attracts the right people into your life. This means that by practicing these techniques, you connect with the respect and love you truly deserve. These internal transformations not only impact how others see you, but also how you see yourself. By practicing intentional silence, emotional detachment, strategic compassion, and wise patience, you begin to notice a significant change in how you handle challenges and daily interactions. This new perspective not only increases your confidence, but also strengthens your self-esteem. You begin to recognize that you are worthy of respect and love, not for who others want you to be, but for who you truly are. This connection with genuine respect and love also allows you to build healthier and longer-lasting relationships. When you present yourself authentically, the people around you feel this and respond positively. They feel more drawn to your presence and are naturally inclined to respect and love you for your unique qualities. This kind of love and respect is deep and enduring because it is not based on superficialities but on a genuine understanding and appreciation. Finally, remember that this journey of self-discovery and transformation is continuous. The techniques you've learned and applied are powerful tools for cultivating a life full of respect and love. But the true power comes from keeping these practices alive in your daily life. Continue connecting with these principles, and you will see how your life fills with richer relationships, truer love, and unshakable respect. By staying on this path, you not only transform your own life, but also inspire others to do the same. If these powerful techniques resonated with you and brought new perspectives on how to earn the respect and love you deserve, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss any transformational content like this. And now, do something that will reinforce all this learning. Comment below the affirmation, "I deserve to be loved and respected." By doing this, you are not only manifesting this reality, but also committing to applying these practices in your daily life. Let's go together on this journey of growth and self-confidence.